Hi kids, now we are going to learn about four-letter words. Four-letter words are words that consist of only four letters. So let's start. A-U-N-T, aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. A-R-M-Y, army. A-R-M-Y, army. A-R-M-S, arms. A-R-M-S, arms. B-U-L-B, bulb. B-U-L-B, bulb. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. C-A-R-D, card. C-A-R-D, card. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. D-A-R-K, dark. D-A-R-K, dark. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. E-X-I-T, exit. E-X-I-T, exit. F-A-S-T, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-A-G, flag. G-O-A-L, goal. G-O-A-L, goal. G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. G-R-E-Y, grey. G-R-E-Y, grey. H-O-S-E, hose. H-O-S-E, hose. H-I-double-L, hill. H-I-double-L, hill. I-R-O-N, iron. I-R-O-N, iron. I-D-E-A, idea. I-D-E-A, idea. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-F-T, left. L-E-F-T, left. M-E-N-U, menu. M-E-N-U, menu. M-A-I-L, mail. M-A-I-L, mail. N-I-N-E, nine. NINE nine. NOTE not. NOTE not. OPEN open. OPEN open. PARK park. PARK park. POND pond. POND pond. QUIZ quiz. QUIZ quiz. QUIT quit. QUIT quit. RAIN rain. RAIN rain. ROAD road. ROAD road. SIDE side. SIDE side. TALK talk. TALK talk. TEAM team. TEAM team. TIME time. TIME time. UBER Uber. UBER Uber. VIEW view. VIEW view. VASE was. VASE was. WORK work. WORK work. WIFE wife. WIFE wife. NEXT next. NEXT next. EXAM exam. EXAM exam. YOGA yoga. YOGA yoga. YOLK yoke. YOLK yoke. ZERO 0. ZONE zone. ZONE zone.